and welcome to Channel H News. I'm Whitman Quillen, and first we're going to be starting off with air masses, and we're going to be starting with the maritime polar, which is coming down to the western states, and it's going to be hitting Washington, Oregon, and California, bringing cool and wet weather, so watch out for rain and snow. And next is the continental polar, which has come through most of the United States and is now going through the Midwest, and it is bringing dry, cold weather. But following closely behind it is the continental Arctic, which is bringing very cold weather, and it's going to go through these northern states. So be very careful of freezing in North Dakota, Montana, and Minnesota. And finally is the maritime tropical, which has managed to come all the way up the eastern coast to New York, and it brings wet and warm weather, so be sure to watch out for that. And now we go to Beau Kue with fronts and pressure systems.
Hello, my name is Beau Kue, and starting with the fronts, as we can see here in the western and mid-United States, there is a cold front. The cold fronts will bring very violent storms and cold weather, so please bring an umbrella for the next few days. The warm fronts are next here down at Kansas and New York. These warm fronts will bring in very gentle storms for periods of a couple days. So make sure to bring an umbrella for expecting rain. Third is the stationary fronts. The stationary fronts will bring in snow, as we can see up here. And these stationary fronts will bring in snow for days or even weeks, as they'll stay there for about that same amount of time. Lastly is the included fronts. The included fronts are stationed up in northern Canada, up here and back here. Occluded fronts will bring in a lot of wind and a lot of storms, so also prepare for rain. Now with the pressure systems, there is a pressure system down here, down near the bottom part of the United States and up in Canada. These low pressure systems are very wet and very cloudy, so this weather is perfect for rain. So expect a lot of rain, and make sure to bring out umbrella. And down at North Carolina, Massachusetts, and Idaho, there's high pressure systems. High pressure systems will bring a lot of clear and sunny weather, so make sure you go outside during those days, as it's really nice outside.
I'm Whitman Quillen.
I'm Beau Kue.
And thank you for tuning in to Channel H News.